Welcome back, Focus Learners. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today for another explainer because we're looking at a topic that perfectly blends holistic health, everyday practicality, and, believe it or not, really great taste. If you've ever tried dietary detoxing, you know the process can sometimes feel like a massive chore, especially when it comes to the flavors you have to endure. But today, our explainer is zeroing in on an incredibly palatable approach. We're breaking down the ultimate guide to a sweet green detox juice, using clear, structured takeaways straight from the source material. Okay, let's dive into this. Right off the bat, we're aiming for something nutrient-dense with a subtle sweetness. Look, let's be totally honest. The biggest hurdle with green juices is that harsh, super earthy taste. We've all choked down a health shot that tasted, well, exactly like liquid long clippings. It's intense, right? It turns off a lot of people. But this source highlights a perfect solution. It balances a massive, potent hit of nutrition with just enough natural sweetness to make it something you'll actually look forward to drinking rather than just merely tolerating.
So let's get to it. Part 1. The Sweet Green Formula. 4 simple ingredients.
You absolutely don't need a massive grocery haul, a huge budget, or a dozen exotic, impossible-to-find superfoods to make this work. We're literally just looking at 1 cup of kale, a pear, a piece of fresh ginger, and half a cucumber. That's the whole shebang. For those of us who regularly follow detox routines, the real magic here is in the specific biochemical pairings. The kale delivers a massive dose of vitamin K and antioxidants, right? Meanwhile, the ginger acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory catalyst at the cellular level. Then the pear comes in, providing that crucial soluble fiber and natural fructose to mask any bitterness. And finally, the cucumber acts as a diuretic base to really help flush the system. It takes all the guesswork completely out of your prep time while maximizing that nutritional payload.
Moving on to part 2, the detox benefits. Complex nutrients at work. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is we're shifting our focus from the what to the why. You see, this isn't just about drinking a green beverage to check a daily habit box. It's about what happens on a deep physiological level. This specific nutrient matrix targets 3 absolutely vital systems. It boosts kidney health, boosts liver health, and boosts your immune system. Instead of just passing through, the gingerol from the ginger and the dehydration from the cucumber actively support the liver's natural phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification pathways. They literally help to break down toxins enzymatically so your kidneys can safely and swiftly flush them out. Basically, by feeding your body this precise blend, you're directly upgrading your natural filtration systems.
Which brings us to part 3, the insider juicing secret, maximizing your yield. Gathering the right ingredients is only half the battle, right? Getting the absolute most out of them is all about the mechanics of how you process them. So here's the step-by-step technique. Step 1, juice your leafy greens, like the kale, first. Step 2, immediately follow that up with a firmer fruit, like the pear. Why does this matter? Well, it's estimated that improper juicing order leaves up to 20% of your nutrients trapped in the machine's pulp. No way we want that. Leafy greens are notoriously light, and they tend to just spin uselessly around the auger. But by dropping that solid pear in right after, it acts as a mechanical pusher, literally forcing those light greens down through the blades and screens.
So the crucial point is, this technique guarantees far more efficient nutrient extraction. By utilizing that firmer fruit to push the greens through the mechanism, you aren't leaving any of those vital detoxifying compounds behind in the pulp bin. You extract every last possible drop of the good stuff straight into your glass, ensuring your liver, your kidneys, and your immune system get the absolute maximum benefit from those 4 accessible ingredients we talked about earlier.
Which leaves us with this final vital question. Are you extracting the most from your greens? Because as we've seen today, it's clearly not just about what you choose to consume, but how strategically you process it. Armed with this super accessible 4-ingredient formula and that brilliant mechanical juicing trick, you're completely set up for a routine that is just as delicious as it is impactful. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now, get out there, fire up your juicer, and put this method to the test.